Hey, so do you look at other online business owners and think, oh, they are just so lucky, or I wish I would have started when they did? Well, friend, that is really just a thought, and it's you that makes it work in your business. Hi, my name is Michele, and if we haven't met before, I'm a certified online business manager, and I kindly kick digital CEOs out of the back office so they can focus on more sales, more revenue, and my very favorite, more impact. Okay, so if you have that repeat thought going in your head saying, oh, well, they're just luckier than I am, or if I would have started when they did, I would be just as successful. Well, that really is just a thought. That is just something that you are telling yourself about your online business. So let's go ahead and look at some of the things that you can do when you come up against that thought and what you can do to overcome it. So it's you in the long run that is putting in the work to make your business successful. So you put in the work and you make it successful. So what does that take? It's simple. It takes persistent effort. That's the importance of taking action in your business. So it's taking that right action at the right time. Well, what's the right action and what's the right time? Well, that is now. So right now is the right time, and you can figure out what is the right action by actually taking a look at what it is that you want to achieve and breaking that down into little tiny actions that you can do every single day. And if you're working, you aren't more than likely, as you're trying to start and grow your business, if you're working on, maybe you already have your own business, but you want to transition into something else, well, that's great. You can totally do that. And the timing is perfect for you right now. It just takes that small, consistent action every single day in order to be able to move forward with it. At some point, you have to take the leap of faith and you have to believe in yourself that you can actually do what it is that you want to achieve. And just if you need some reassurance on it, just go ahead and think of a time in the past in which you did something that you didn't think that you could do, but you actually did it. Okay, do you have that thought in your mind? No, great. Step into that person you were at that time, and how did they view that? How did you view it at that time? I mean, what did you do to get over that mindset and that obstacle you were facing? Because that's what you need to do right now at this time as well, because you are the one that makes it work in your business. And then what is the difference? So this is one of the things that I do for myself as well. So if I find myself that I'm doing that comparison thing, or not good enough, or whatever, imposter syndrome, whatever you want to call it. So what is the difference? What is the difference between that entrepreneur and you? What is the difference between their business and your business? So what is that business owner doing that you may not be doing in your business? And it could come down to they just started, they had the belief that they could do it, and they actually just put in 1% effort every single day to make it work. And that's all you need to do as well. You just need to move forward and do that 1% of work every single day to actually make it work in your online business. So I hope that you found this was beneficial and encouraging. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me any comment you want, and I look forward to seeing you next week.